What is up, YouTube? Today we're making the brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso from Starbucks. Make sure to subscribe for more food content. Let's start by preparing our coffee. Starbucks uses 3 shots of blonde espresso, so if you have espresso at home, go ahead and use that. If not, dark roast coffee will also work. Next, add in brown sugar and mix until it completely dissolves. Add a few dashes of cinnamon, and finally add in a generous amount of ice, making sure to leave some room for the oat milk. Shake everything together until the espresso is nice and foamy. Finally, top your espresso off with some oat milk. Starbucks uses the Oatly Barista Blend oat milk. Give everything a good mix and your espresso is ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.